Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from DipnotizeMe Nails to create a fun, warm, and cozy mani. It's really cold here in Wisconsin, and these colors from By the Fire Trio are perfect for the temperature right now. Now the first color here, Cozy, it's like a mulberry pink color. It's super pretty, and it also has a really beautiful shimmer to it. It's almost like a mulled wine color, very pretty. In warmth is that beautiful nudie brown color, and it has a pink undertone to it. And then By the Fire is this really fun glitter of pinks and oranges and golds. It's really pretty. And then here are the colors together. This right here is sold in a trio. It's called By the Fire Trio, or you can get these colors individually as well. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a set of press-ons, and we're also going to be doing the gel method. And you will see here we are going to be diving into Cozy, which is that beautiful like mulled wine color. It definitely has like an orange undertone to it, but it's super pretty, and I really like the color payoff on here. Wait till you see the first dip of this dip powder. Check it out. Isn't that gorgeous? Full coverage right away. It is super pretty, and it really has that really nice shimmer to it that's finely milled. So super pretty finish on that as well. All right, so let's keep dipping into Cozy, and then we will jump into the other colors, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It's giving me all those warm and cozy feelings, and I really like these color combination together, and that glitter by the fire is so pretty. It is the perfect glitter that pairs perfectly with cozy and warmth, and I really like how these powders applied. They were super pigmented, and with that first coat of dip powder, they applied amazingly with the gel method. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.